Hi guys, David here, back here at South Bay Ford. Want to bring you a quick video on how to use your cameras in the Ford Explorer Limited. All we would just have to do to access the rear camera is you're going to put your foot on the brake, put the rotary on reverse, and you're going to get your camera displayed right there. Okay guys, so then all we're going to do is we're going to press this camera button that's located in the volume and the tune button right here in the center stack. And then what you're going to do is you're going to have the same view from the rear to the front. So you're going to have your 360-degree view, and then you're going to have your front view. Now, if you want to access the different camera views, just like the rear, you have 3 different views. So if you just want to see the front camera, this would be it. Then if you want to see more from left to right, this would be the camera view for that. In case you can't see from your left to right and your driveway's a little narrow, this would be the best camera to use. Now, if you want to access that camera and get out of it, all you would just do is just press the same camera button, and that would take you back to your home screen. And that's how you use your Ford cameras on the Ford Explorer.